Let your eyes open, now the time has come to receive the Master's Kalpataru Darshan. He will fulfill all that we have been seeking, our lives rejuvenated by His grace and His blessings, fulfilling all our wishes with love and compassion. Guru Nityananda's Kalpataru Darshan time is here. The highest state for which we have been yearning, our minds and bodies renewed by His healing. The light of consciousness will be radiating like a mother, so tender and caring, embracing each of us as one of His own, reassuring that we'll never be alone, fulfilling all our wishes with love and compassion. Guru Nityananda's Kalpataru Darshan time is here. A few simple words is more than we need in all dimensions for us to succeed. Just as flowers seek the rays of the sun, our hearts long to merge as one in the sweetness of His cosmic embrace. Will be gifted a pure inner space to
Nityanandeshwara Sadashiva Samarambam Nityanandeshwari Jevu Suyetla Behind Venu Avec Mon Amour Aime Respect. I welcome you all with my love and respects. Jevu I'm Tos. I welcome all the visitors, viewers, disciples, everyone sitting with us in France, Paris, in this hall. Thank you for being here. I know you have many choices, but you chose to be with me at this moment. I thank you all for being here to share your time with me. I have only one message to all of you. The amount of suffering each of you went through, not just during this birth, each birth, throughout your evolution as human being, individually and collectively. We have gone through so much, but understand all the suffering as humanity we went through, and individually you went through. Individually which you went through, as humanity as we went through. Whole thing, if we collect it and put together, the purpose why we went through is only to have the next level of superconscious breakthrough. Understand, see, all the sufferings you went through personally is called your story. All the sufferings as collectively as humanity, we all went through is called history. La candidate de France a travers laquelle vous étiez tous passés durant vos vies antérieures en tant qu'espace et en tant qu'individu. En y est passé à travers beaucoup, mais comprenez que toute la souffrance qui a été vécue constitue l'histoire de l'humanité. Thank you for the standing ovation. Tumun amour pour vous. Tumun amour pour vous. Love you all. Thank you. Thank you for encouraging. I'll try to share every idea I want to share with you all in French also. See, all the sufferings we went through collectively, if you collect and put it together, that's the history of humanity. And all the success you went through, if you collect and put it together, that is you. Understand, please understand, if some poisoning cannot kill you, you killed that poison. Same way, if your past did not destroy you, you survived your past. What is the purpose? Why should we survive our past? Understand? Only somebody who has a purpose survives past. Whether it is an individual or a village or a town or a civilization. If that civilization has a purpose, if it has something to contribute to humanity, only then it survives. Not otherwise. Not otherwise. You went through in your life so much. If you are still alive, kicking around, living here, you have a purpose. Recognizing that purpose is what I call individual conscious awakening. Understand? Recognizing our larger purpose. Not stopping with this 120 vision. 120-degree vision is common. Not stopping with it and recognizing the larger purpose. Each civilization contributed some way to humanity. Europe did lot of research. It has taken up political systems and they are trying to give the best political system to the world. They experimented with everything. Democracy, autocracy, benign autocracy, democracy which survived, democracy which collapsed. All types of political system they tried. And they are giving best intelligence input to the humanity to follow. Same way Italian civilization. They worked on taste buds so much. I am not at all surprised when people fly to Italy just for a meal, just for a dinner. Because they worked so much on the taste buds. They have given the best tasty food. I won't say healthy, but I will say tasty. They have given the best tasty food for humanity. Of course, the French civilization, beauty, love, romance. That's the greatest contribution of the French civilization. I have not seen any city more beautiful than Paris. In my travel, I used to fly 100,000 miles a year and drive 100,000 miles a year. Understand? On flight 100,000 miles, on the road 100,000 miles. That used to be my lifestyle. Now it has come little reduced, not that stopped, but reduced due to technology. I am spending more leisure time and meeting you all directly through two-way video conferencing. With so much of travel, I tell you, I have not seen more beautiful city than Paris. Beauty of the symmetry is the contribution of French civilization. That is why even that language has so much of symmetry. I can say, whenever I speak French, both tongues move very symmetrically. I think if you speak French, your tongue will become beautiful. Chaque civilisation est contribué à Illuminati d'une certaine manière. Par exemple, l'Europe a pris la responsabilité du système politique, pris la responsabilité du système politique et finalement a fait les meilleurs systèmes politiques à mandé entier la démocratie, la civilisation italienne et traveler sur la sévière et a finalement offert les meilleurs sévières et l'humanité. Les civilisations françaises et traveler sur les produits de beauty et offert les meilleurs produits de l'humanité. Each civilization has contributed something. And I tell you, Indian civilization is built for giving super conscious breakthrough for humanity every age. See, this whole civilization, Indian civilization, is built to give superconscious breakthrough to the humanity. During every age, Indian civilization contributes superconscious breakthrough to humanity. As I was telling, beauty of symmetry is the contribution of the French civilization. La beauté de la symétrie est la contribution de la civilisation française. The French civilization contributes the beauty of symmetry to the world. I have not seen more symmetrical, beautiful streets or balconies or windows or organized roads than Paris. Each civilization has some purpose, has some contribution. Indian civilization gives superconscious breakthrough during every age. Last 200 years, many of my predecessors, Sri Ramakrishna, Vivekananda, Aurobindo, Maharishi Mahesh Yogi, Srila Prabhupada, J. Krishnamurti, Osho, a large number of my predecessors were trying and really pushing the humanity to have the superconscious breakthrough. Ramana Maharishi, everyone tried. Paramahamsa Yogananda, of course, many names I am not recalling because of the time, otherwise I can give a big list. All of them have strived, struggled, tried. All of them have put their efforts. Last 200 years, Indian civilization is working to give the next superconscious breakthrough because now it is time. Human beings have evolved from amoeba to fish, fish to tortoise, tortoise to pig. The whole, see, the amoeba to fish is a physical growth. From fish to monkey is physical and psychological growth. From monkey to man is physical, psychological and conscious growth. And now it is time to have man to superhuman. The breakthrough, superconscious breakthrough. It is time for the humanity to taste the biggest superconscious breakthrough. Understand, it is Indian civilization's responsibility to give superconscious breakthrough to humanity, to superconscious breakthrough to the world.